This is a very short class on the topic of diversification strategy. In particular, we want to simply distinguish between concentric and conglomerate diversification. So as I said, it's a very short class and I just want to distinguish two terms. First of all, diversification strategies are used to expand operations by adding markets, products, services, or stages of production to the existing business. So diversification means adding markets or products or expanding the business in some way and making it different, adding a new dimension to the business. The purpose of diversification is to allow the company to enter lines of business that are different from its current operations. So diversification means it's varying what it's doing. It's adding something new to the business. It's diversifying. It's adding a new line or a new product or a new dimension of some sort to the business. When the new venture is strategically related to the existing lines of the business, this is called concentric diversification. So if it's incorporating something new into the business, but that new dimension is related to the existing lines of the business. So for example, if the company is making, let's say it's making cars, and it now adds some new element to the business, it now starts to making cars and small commercial vehicles. It's diversifying. It's using a lot of common processes. It's using perhaps the same technologies, but it's producing something slightly different. It's concentric diversification. The products are related, but they are different. Conglomerate diversification occurs when there is no common thread of strategic fit or relationship between the new and old lines of the business. The new and old lines of the business are unrelated. And that's a conglomerate diversification. It means the car example I gave you earlier, the car producer now starts to make washing machines. These are not necessarily related. Cars and washing machines are different products. It's a conglomerate diversification. It's expanding the business, and there may be some elements of the business that overlaps, but there's not a great deal of fit, strategic fit between the two. They're making different products. It's a conglomerate diversification. So as I said, very, very short class. It's just really to distinguish between these two terms. I suggest you go online and see what you can find out about concentric and conglomerate diversification. See if you can get some perhaps better examples than the ones I've used. Pad out your notes and make sure you are clear about that distinction. But that's all I'm going to do in this session, so thank you for watching.